In this video, I will explain you the logical operators if, and or. Excel has several logical functions, all of which evaluate a condition and return one value if condition is true and another if condition is evaluated at false. So first we will discuss the if condition, and I am going to apply the if condition here. Go to the formulas and then logical. When you click if, this dialog box will open, and here we are going to apply the condition of E5. So instead of writing E5 with the help of keyboard, just click here, and the condition is if E5 is greater than 500, then go for vacation, otherwise stay at home. So if the employee's bi-weekly salary is greater than 500, they should go for a vacation, otherwise they have to stay at home. So see, because this is the first one, John McKay's bi-weekly salary is not greater than 500, so he should stay at home. The second example of the if condition is, suppose these are the reps, sales, and I say that if they make sale greater than 100,000, then their commission rate should be 3%, otherwise 2%. So this is again the logical test. If there is condition, if B6 is greater than 100,000, then they will get 3% commission, otherwise 2% commission, and okay. So you will see the result. If the sale is greater than 100,000 of these reps, they will get 3%, otherwise 2%. So how you will calculate the commission? Equal to sign, B6 multiply by rate and enter, and then, so this is the commission. Now we will see or. In or operator, there should be one condition true. So again, go to the formulas. From the formulas, go to the or operator. In or operator, we will see if E5 is equal to 500, which is true, and the second condition is if E5 is greater than 500, which is false. So in or operator, one condition should be true, so the answer will be true. So see, it is true. But in the AND operator, both conditions should be true. So again logical, and here is AND. So first condition, suppose we say if E5 is 500, and the second condition is, suppose if E5 is greater than equal to 500, which is also true. So true, right? So we have learned if and an or operator. In AND operator, both conditions should be true in order to get the true answer. In OR operator, one condition should be true. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching it.